Euro Yen daily forecast July 23, FXEmpire.com. The Euro Yen pair fell hard during the Friday session, just absolutely smashing through the support level that we had seen at roughly 96 based upon the hammers. What's more interesting is that it did break down the bottom of this hammer in May, which pretty much negates the idea of a double bottom happening. Truthfully, we'd expect a bounce and then another attempt down. The fact that we broke down this strong or closing this close to the lows and have closed below the bottom of this hammer suggests that we are going lower. It does look like it wants to continue, and we would sell rallies that show weakness on short-term charts and, of course, a break of the lows. Of course, we have a couple things we need to watch out for now. 95 below the current price action right now, being a large major psychological level, of course, will offer some type of bounce or support or something. Something will happen there. It almost always happens at the 500 levels. More importantly, though, than that is going to be to keep an eye on the dollar yen pair, just simply because the Bank of Japan does. And as long as that pair is somewhat orderly, this pair can fall within reason as much as the market wants it to. It won't necessarily get involved. And besides, certainly people in the Bank of Japan are very well aware of the fact that the euro is fighting for its life right now. So stepping in front of that train is probably a lost cause, and they're probably well aware of it. However, as long as the dollar yen stays stable, they probably won't be overly concerned. If the dollar yen does melt down, though, any intervention in the dollar yen will cause a reaction in yen related pairs, and that needs to be paid attention to. So if you are short of this market, you need to make sure that dollar yen doesn't suddenly break down either, because if it does, you could find yourself at the wrong end of an intervention.